Did you know that your brain is constantly predicting what's going to happen the next moment? And I'll demonstrate in the way that I finish this salad. Okay, so what just happened? A contemporary theory of neuroscience called predictive processing can help make sense of this. According to predictive processing, the brain takes in so much data from the five senses that it's actually much more efficient for the brain to predict what's happening in the outside world, rather than to represent it accurately. The brain is constantly trying to minimize the difference between what it predicts will happen and what actually happens, as was the case when your brain predicted the word sentence but got salad. But you and I have an everyday word for these prediction errors. We call it surprise. When we're in a state of fear, we can interpret surprises as a threat because it means that our model of the world failed to accurately predict what was going to happen next. But if we're open to it, we find that a moment of being surprised is actually a moment of real aliveness. If only for a moment, surprise allows us to step outside of our controlled, predictable world, and even if for just a moment, make contact with something other than us. The choice is yours. You can live in a predictable, managed world, or take a step into one which will constantly take you by salad.